This is a floater. It helps us to float on the water. I am tying the floater on my back. Now I have tied this floater. This is my swimming cap. Now I have put on the swimming cap. Now it's time to jump into the water. 1, 2, 3, go! In order to float and stay stable, just spread your arms and move them back and forth. Pedal your legs in circular motion at the same time. Keep your hands and legs moving. To come forward, lean on your stomach. Stretch your arms one by one like this. You can also move your hands like this. Friends, for English speaking and education related videos, do visit our channel page. Here I am putting my head down. This is the outlet. Here you can spit out. Here I am going to take few dips. This is my swimming goggles. Here I am trying backstroke swimming. Friends, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.